SHOT Show 2025 just dropped some game-changing firearms, and we've rounded up the top 11 for you. From next-level concealed carry options to powerful rifles, these new releases are turning heads. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit that subscribe button and join the survival firearms community. Let's get started. Number 11. HECKLER & KOCH MR556A4. This 5.56 NATO rifle features a 16.5-inch cold hammer-forged barrel for durability. The short-stroke gas piston system reduces carbon buildup for easy maintenance. Weighing 7 pounds 11 ounces, it has fully ambidextrous controls, an M-LOK free-float handguard, and a 6-position adjustable stock. With a 30-round magazine and a price tag of $4,000, it's a top-tier rifle for tactical, competition, or recreational shooting. Number 10. Heritage Manufacturing COACHWHIP Shotgun. Bringing Old West charm with modern function, this side-by-side 12-gauge features 18.5-inch barrels, a Turkish walnut stock, and a case-hardened steel frame for durability. Weighing 6 pounds 11 ounces, it's easy to handle. With a break-open action, double triggers, and exposed hammers, it stays true to classic shotgun design. A tang safety adds modern reliability, and the bead front sight helps with quick target acquisition. Priced at $985, it's a great mix of history and functionality. Number 9. Smith & Wesson FCP.40. This compact carbine is built for versatility. Chambered in 40 S&W, it features a 16.25-inch threaded barrel, making it suppressor-ready. Its folding mechanism reduces its size from 30.4 inches to just 16.4 inches, making it super portable. At just 5 pounds, it balances durability and maneuverability. Compatible with double-stack magazines, it also has built-in stock storage. The M-LOK handguard allows accessory customization, while the optics-ready design ensures fast target acquisition. At $700, this carbine is a practical and reliable choice. Number 8. Springfield Armory ECHELON 4.0C. This 9mm handgun packs a punch with a 4-inch hammer-forged barrel and an optics-ready slide compatible with 30+ red dot sights. Tritium U-dot sights make aiming easy, even in low light. The modular polymer frame has interchangeable backstraps for a personalized grip. At just 24 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable. It includes both 15-round and 18-round magazines. At $679, it's an excellent concealed carry and home defense option. Number 7. BUSHMASTER V-RADICATOR. This rifle, chambered in .223 Wild, handles both .223 Remington and 5.56 NATO rounds. The 24-inch fluted stainless steel barrel with a 1-to-9 twist rate ensures accuracy, especially for varmint hunting. Weighing 8.3 pounds, it's built for precision shooting. The MAGPUL PRS carbine stock and MOE K2XL grip adds comfort, while the 17-inch Bravo Zulu M-LOK handguard offers space for accessories. The DM2S 2-stage trigger provides a smooth pull. Priced at $1,480, it's a top-tier choice for accuracy-focused shooters. Number 6. Savage 110 MAGPUL Scout. Chambered in .308 Winchester, this rifle features a 16.5-inch barrel with a muzzle brake to reduce recoil. The adjustable MAGPUL hunter stock ensures a custom fit, and M-LOK slots on the forend allow for accessory mounting. With an extended scout-style rail for flexible optic placement, this rifle is built for adaptability. It includes a 10-round AICS-style detachable magazine and a 3-position tang safety. At $1,100, it's a reliable pick for hunters and tactical shooters alike. Number 5. CANIK METE MC9LS. This compact 9mm pistol features a 3.64-inch barrel and an overall length of 6.75 inches, making it great for both concealed carry and range use. Weighing 23.73 ounces, it's well-balanced for comfortable handling. It holds 17+1 rounds and is compatible with extended CANIK magazines. With an optics-ready slide and a front white dot sight, target acquisition is quick. Available in black, FD, and two-tone finishes, it's priced at just $460, offering great value. Number 4. EAA GIRSAN Witness Match Pistol. Built for performance, this 9mm pistol holds 17 or 20 rounds, so you're always ready. A 5-inch bull barrel ensures consistent accuracy, and the full-length steel frame keeps things balanced at just under 2 pounds. With a bold two-tone finish and an optics-ready slide for RMS/RMSC footprints, Target acquisition is quick and easy. The ergonomic grip and ambidextrous safety make it user-friendly for all shooters. Priced at $989, it's a solid option for both enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. PATRIOT Ordnance Factory P15 base. Rifle chambered in 5.56 NATO. This rifle has a 16.5-inch match-grade barrel for consistent accuracy. Weighing just over 6 pounds, it's lightweight yet rugged. A mid-length gas system ensures smooth cycling and reduced recoil. The 15-inch M-LOK handguard provides plenty of space for accessories, while the Mission First Tactical Minimalist stock offers quick adjustments. At $949, it's a reliable and affordable option for shooters. Number 2. CZ BREN 3, chambered in 5.45 NATO. This rifle features a hammer-forged barrel in sizes from 7 to 16.5 inches. Fully ambidextrous controls and an adjustable 3-position gas system make it versatile for all shooters. Weighing 6.8 pounds, it includes a folding 4-position telescopic stock and M-LOK forend for customization. Priced around $1,700, it's a high-performance rifle built for military, law enforcement, and civilian use. Number 1. Ruger RX-M. This compact 9mm pistol is all about modularity and customization. It comes with a 4-inch alloy steel barrel with a black nitride finish, giving it a total length of 7.15 inches and a lightweight 23.2-ounce frame. One of its standout features is the removable serialized fire control insert FCI, housed in a customizable MAGPUL enhanced handgun grip. This allows shooters to modify the grip for a more tailored fit. The optic-ready slide is designed for compatibility with RMR, Delta Point Pro, and RMSC red dots, ensuring versatility for different shooting styles. At approximately $900, it delivers affordability, adaptability, and solid performance, making it a great choice for both everyday carry and range use. That's our list of the hottest guns from SHOT Show 2025. Let us know which one stood out to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more firearms content. See you in the next video.